Hey, this is Tim. They got an old 06 Chevy Cobalt SS. No heat complaint. Fans doing nothing. So sometimes when you get calls with no heat, they don't have anything to do with your heat. Could be just a blower motor or a blend door. So always check inside first, because it's not always, you know, a thermostat or water pump or something like that. So let's get over here. All right, the first thing I like to do is always check. I undid the power source on the blower motor, and I always like to check it, hook it up straight with my power probe. And we know if it works with your power probe, then there's nothing wrong with the blower motor. So we'll get this set on the bolts here. The blower motor's working. So we know the blower motor works. All right, got the old one out. It's looks like this. It's a new one. Part number is DR752. Got it in AutoZone. It just clips in there, so you're just gonna push it up in there. Of course, with your where your plug-in is on this side, so you're gonna push it in like that, and it just pushes in these little clips right here that are on it. See if I can get you in there and show you. Got little clips on each side right there. You clip right there on that side, right there on that side. It just pushes in. See if I can push it in with one hand. You know how that goes usually. We'll try it. There we go. Push it right in. Then just plug it in. And then of course, I'll plug back in my blower motor here. And it should work. Well, I thought I was done, but it's gonna need a switch. You got two. See, these are gonna be T8. Will be right here. Pull this straight out, and this one is, as you can see, the ground on here. Get you in there good. Is all burned up. So I will be replacing this switch here in just a minute. Alright, so we got the new one. It's a HS275. New one looks a lot better. The side there. Better than the other one. And of course, it'll go on just like this. And then we got the knob we'll put it in going in the other side. So just put that in like that. And of course, have your screws ready. Make it a little bit easier for you if you have them ready. All right, 90% of the time it is the blower motor resistor, but this time it was the switch. So even I can get fooled sometimes. These are pretty easy. You're just gonna pop these. This pops right off. So we'll pop that on just a second. And of course, these just come unplugged. So you just plug and play. So we'll plug these back in, back here. No big deal. Okay. Well, the bottom works great. Sometimes 99% of the time it is a resistor. This time it was a switch. So be careful of that. You got one of these Cobalts, that it might not be the resistor, it might just be the switch. So thanks for watching. Hope this helped you.